worried, David?
Not worried at all. Well, it's probably time for an update. The videos are running a couple of weeks behind at the moment. We've just had a lot of rain over the last day, but it's now cleared up. So WAKWAKA is still on the hard at Marsden Cove Marina, which is 45 minutes from here. We have agreement as to the defects, and it's getting underway to repair them. Simple terms, as I expected, there's a number of windows that need to be rebedded. There is an area of delamination on the port side under the black graphic, so two areas need to be ground back, filled with glass, fed and finally repaired. Rudders need to be reinstalled with new seals, and the port engine control at the helm needs to be replaced. None of these are particularly major, but midwinter, because we're not far off midwinter now, a run of good weather is a bit harder to come by. So it's been a frustrating wait since January, but we're getting there, and one day we'll have good news for you. I must say the owners and the owner's surveyor have been very easy to work with as far as getting these defects repaired, and the team at Marsden Cove are very competent. So if you can see, it's moving here. So this is the port aft saloon window. The worst one is the port forward saloon window, and you can see that has definitely come away. That's me pushing on it. And the forward window on the port side, it's coming out too. There's the big window in front of the sink, and same thing, coming away at the bottom, across into the corner, up the side. Right, so this is the big front window. It's come away at the bottom. So they've got a dark strip on the inside, but I would have thought a strip on the outside, like I got on CATMANTOO, would stop the UV getting through. Hopefully you can see here where it's dark, it's attached. Where it's gone lighter, it's come away. Here's the one in front of the nav station, and you see once again, black, black, come away, and all the way across here, and in fact up the other side. There's the rudder post, rudders are out, there's the tiller arm. We've come to remind Matthew what the boat looks like.